I wonder who we can see in the rock pool today. Let's have a look. Can you help me find Sheena? Sheena the shrimp is the littlest creature in the rock pool. Sometimes it's difficult to spot her. She's just so teeny-weeny. Aha! There she is! Sheena is very good at getting into little spaces and solving tricky problems. She can untie even the most difficult of knots. Sheena loves the colour blue. She even has a blue home in the rocky ridge. And she loves flowers. We like your flowery top, Sheena. Salty and I love finding out about rock poolers, don't we?
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.